Good morning, student. On last turn, I completed question 1 to 4 of exercise 6.4. Now see the question number 5. D, E, F are the midpoint of AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of triangle area of triangle DEF and ABC. This is exercise 6.4, question number 5. ABC is a triangle. D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC, F is the midpoint of AC. The triangle form is DEF. Now find the area of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. Now see the solution. D and F are the midpoint of AB and AC. So DF is parallel to BC. In triangle ADF and triangle ABC, by midpoint theorem, angle D is equal to angle B because of corresponding angle. Angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. So triangle ADF is similar to ABC. Therefore, DF upon BC is equal to AD upon AB is equal to AF upon AC. Is equal to DF upon BC. AD is half of AB, or you can say AB is twice of AD. AD cancel, 1 upon 2, because D is midpoint of AB. Similarly, DE upon AC is 1/2 and EF upon AB is also 1/2. So DF upon BC is equal to DE upon AC is equal to EF upon AB. Therefore, triangle DEF is similar to AC, triangle ACB DF is BC. Its name is written as DF BC EF AC. So BAC DE it will be CAB DE upon CA DF upon CB EF upon AB by SSS property. When triangles are similar, so area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is equal to DF upon BC square. DF upon BC is 1/2 square, that is equal to 1/4. Therefore, area of triangle DEF ratio area of triangle ABC is 1/4. See the question number 6. Prove that the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding median. Actually, this question we have already done in exercise 6.3, question number 12. This is the question number 16. This question is same as question number 6. You will do it yourself. Question number 7. Area of equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is half the area of equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. This is your square. This is question number 7. ABCD. This is a diagonal. The equilateral triangle on diagonal is ACP and on triangle is side of the triangle BCQ. You have to show the area on the diagonal is twice the area of the side. Given ABCD is a square, ACP and BCQ are the two equilateral triangle described on diagonal AC and side BC. To prove area of triangle BCQ upon area of triangle ACP is half of it. Now proof let each side of a square is A. Area of equilateral triangle BCQ is side square root 3 upon 4, that is equal to A square root 3 upon 4. Area of equilateral triangle ACP, first of all find the diagonal AC. Diagonal AC of square is side root 2. So AC is A root 2. Area of equilateral triangle ACP is also AC square side root 3 upon 4 A root 2 square root 3 upon 4, that is 2A square root 3 upon 4. So area of triangle BCQ upon area of triangle ACP is equal to A square root 3 upon 4 upon 2A square root 3 upon 4. 4 and 4 cancel, root 3 cancel, A square cancel, that is 1 upon 2, hence proved.